Good day, tech readers. Today we're back on my favorite subject, the subject of headphones. I think headphones are the single most important thing you're going to need to change your multimedia experience with your phone. And today we have the Zagg iFrogs Plugz. They come with variable sets of ear tips, as most do these days. And what's unusual about them is this middle controller panel here, which clips onto your shirt, thus. And it has nice large buttons, makes it really easy to control. What's really important is that at just 500 Rand, it's a great introduction to wireless earphones if you've never had those before. And these sound so much better than their price suggests. They're a big winner for us, and they now appear in our buyer's guide. At 500 Rand, a great introduction to wireless earphones.